Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to go over some new makeup releases, and this one is probably going to be so far my favorite video I've ever posted over the years of favorite makeup releases because there's so many that are so good that I'm so excited about. So if you're into these types of videos from me where I go over new makeup releases and roast them and give you my thoughts and opinions, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much, especially because my giveaway is about to end on August 15th. I have so many products behind me that I'm giving away from so many amazing brands, from Ofra, Alter Ego, Kiss, Too Faced, Lime Crime. There's a lot. I can't even remember them all. There's a ton. So definitely go to the video linked down below to go subscribe and to go enter the giveaway. Also, if you hear a child screaming in the background, my son is home from school playing Fortnite with his school friends and he gets really excited and he screams. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first up we have a new Sephora's Favorites set. It's a holiday must-have, and right now you can find it at Kohl's. It's one of their like best sellers. It's $49, and you guys know I love to talk about Sephora favorite sets. This one is it's pretty good, honestly. It's not the best, but it's still a pretty good set, and it's a holiday release. I can't wait for all my holiday videos, but you get two full-size products. Do I feel like they're worth full-size products? Price? No. When I tell you, it's gonna be like, oh, okay, yeah. It's one of those like a filler full price kind of full-size thing. Anyway, so $49. It includes a beauty blender in pink, and that's a full-size item. Whoa. And then you get a Benefit brow gel. I love those. That's amazing. Great product. You get a Youth to the People cleanser. It's a mini, so it's not going to be very big, but it's a great brand. You get a full-size black eye pencil from, it appears to be Kat Von D, I think, which I've had a lot of those in the past from subscription boxes. Actually, I don't think I've ever used one, even though I've had a ton in like pencil and liquid form, but it's like always been a staple in a lot of people's collections. So Amika hairspray, everybody loves that. Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, I love that. A mini makeup eraser, those are magic, literally. And a mini Huda Beauty setting powder, which I've heard amazing things about. So this one's only available in Sephora, at Kohl's, and coming soon on their website and retailers. Not completely sure if we'll eventually see that in Sephora, but like online, but right now it's only available in Sephora at Kohl's. So then we have something else that's so amazing. It's been sneakity peekity. It's the new Too Faced holiday collection, and you guys know since 2019 I have always bought the holiday palettes and did several looks with them and gave you my thoughts and opinions. Every year they've been really good, and Too Faced to me is one of those brands that, yeah, it's repetitive, but it's not honestly repetitive enough. And then you have to think every year there's still millions of people coming of age and playing with makeup for the first time, and this is their first palette. Old holiday releases are no longer available, so you have to always put that in your mind, to keep an open mind that, you know, just because we're on YouTube we're always buying makeup, you know, it might be the same old thing every time, but it's a once in a year thing, and it's a little bit different, and so many new people are like, you know, it's one of those things, okay? So anyways, we just have this sneak peek video from Too Faced during their little the Eras Tour thing. So it's the Maple Syrup Pancakes eyeshadow palette. It has a maple syrup scent, of course, 18 shades, and a maple syrup pancakes lip injection maximum plump. I don't care about those, but the palette, honestly, this time is absolutely beautiful. I love that. I mean, maple syrup pancakes, and we have greens in here. That doesn't make sense, but I don't care because I love that there's greens in here, okay? I love that it's a fall palette. The packaging and the name makes no sense to the color story, but again, like I said, I don't care because I love the color story. It's so pretty. It's so fall. It's pretty much the same thing we see every year, but I'm just really excited for it, so I'm excited. Another thing that I'm super excited about, and I will be purchasing if I have the money at the time, will be available August 11th. Wait a minute, today's August 11th. Hold on, pause. Are these still, oh God, hold on. Oh no, you guys don't even know what I'm talking about yet, and I'm like freaking out because I messed up. Hold on. Lunar Beauty, aka Medium UA, has released Lunarversal setting powders for $28, and they were supposed to launch today. Then they have a setting powder baking set for $35, which comes with a double-ended brush, and the setting powders also came with its own puff, but like, it's not allowing me to buy anything. Oh, here we go. Translucent pink, translucent light, translucent medium, translucent deep. What color would I want? Translucent light? Oh my gosh, is this the first time ever that I might make a... Oh, I don't have money in my bank account right now. Ooh. Oh no, I have to go to the bank. Okay, hopefully this is not sold out by the time I go to the bank later because, like, I'm buying this. So it's supposed to be like this super amazing setting powder, like the best, and honestly, I mean, I kind of believe him because I've tried his products and I'm like, oh, okay, so you're like good at what you do. Okay, love that for you. So very excited about that. Another product that is launching September 7th is a new Triclone Skin Tech Concealer from House Labs. So I heard that her foundation she came out with is like spectacular amazing. So now she's coming out with concealers, and it's a revolutionary hydrating clean concealer that does more than cover, with 20 plus skincare ingredients and 31 shades across 6 shade families and 4 undertones. So she's coming out with a concealer. Shall we buy and try? I didn't try the foundation, so it's kind of like, you know, what's the point in trying the concealer? But then it's like, but concealer should also work with other foundations. So should I buy? Should I buy? Let me know. Let me know. Let's go ahead and throw it back to like 2014 here. So Lush, Lush is coming out with a Barbie collection. Oh, and it was available yesterday on their website and in stores. Ooh, I should go to Green Hills Mall tomorrow and see if they have any. Ooh, yeah. I used to be a Lush girl so hard, like Lush baths all the time. So we have a boombox soap for $10, a car-shaped bubble bar for $11, a bee-shaped bath bomb for $9. Wow, okay. I haven't looked at Lush prices in a long time, but they've gone up, haven't they? Or is this just because it's a collab? Because bath bombs back in my day, like 9 years ago, they were like $4, not $9. And the bee is small looking, so it better be big for $9. A heart-shaped body balm for $14, a dream sugar scrub for $15, and it's citrus scented, a handbag soap for $10, heel soap for $10, jelly mask for $14, pink shampoo for $32, and a body spray for $55. Oof, interesting. Oh, speaking of interesting, I didn't see this, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm interested. So this is from Fenty Beauty. It's a new Ease Drop Blur Plus Smooth Tint Stick. Huh. Okay, this light coverage longwear formula melts effortlessly for a second skin natural finish. The creamy, smooth texture instantly blurs, resets, fading, and resists fading and transferring. There's 25 shades and they're $35 each. And that's available today on Sephora. So that's interesting. Here's one that a lot of the Bath & Body Works ladies are probably very excited about, but I'm skeptical. People. So Bath & Body Works is coming out with new fabric care detergents. And it will be available officially end of August. So right now there's a special price of $11.95 each, and the regular price will be $19.95. So I guess it was early access, probably for that cheap. Honestly, probably the first reviews for them to like reformulate so they can come out with like better products, because like this is gonna be not fun for people. So the different scents is 1,000 Wishes, Cactus Blossom, Cozy Cashmere, Pineapple Mango, Fresh Sunshine, Palo Santo, White Tea and Sage, a Eucalyptus Mint, Bergamot Waters, Sun-Drenched Linen, Ocean, Lavender Vanilla, and Mahogany Teakwood. So we're going to have fabric care detergent, 32 fluid ounces. Oh wow, for $19.95. And then there's supposed to be scent, like fragrance boosters. So you're gonna have detergent and the little like scent beads. That's like a lot of money for 32 fluid ounces. And honestly, this screams rashes. I'm gonna call it now. Your girl is gonna get rashes when she tries this. Not me, but all your Bath & Body Works honeys, okay? They're gonna be like, oh my god, and they're gonna get it and they're gonna be rashed up. Watch. Ain't no way. Do I want to speak on anything else? No, I think I'm done for this video. So let me know what you guys think down below about all these things that we're talking about. Don't you love that I was actually talking good about things? I didn't really roast anything. I only roasted Bath & Body Works, and you guys know that's gonna happen. It's just, it has to. It's going to. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Do you plan on picking any of these things up? Is there anything interesting that you want me to look up and review? Let a girl know. Love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.